Law number 8. Bring people to your side even if you have to use bait. If you want to win over your enemies, you need to use bait, just like how animals are attracted using food. Similarly, money is used to attract people. The best way to defeat an enemy is to turn them into your ally, and if needed, use bait to achieve that. Law number 9. Always win people over with results, not arguments. If you want to gain someone's trust or bring them to your side, don't argue, just do the work. If you want to convince someone, focus on delivering results that make them trust you more. Law number 10. Stay away from unhappy and unlucky people. The author states that if you stay around unhappy people, you absorb their sadness, which makes you unhappy as well. That's why you should always avoid being around negative, unlucky, or miserable people. You should not stay close to such people. The more you distance yourself from them, the more happiness and success you will achieve. Law number 11. Make people dependent on you. Make people so dependent on you that they can never leave you or betray you. Every person values only what is necessary for them. If you become essential to someone, they will never leave you. If you give people too much freedom, they will not remain dependent on you, and they might even betray you. You should position yourself in such a way that people always need you and never abandon you. Law number 12. Use honesty to control people. Honesty has immense power. If you appear honest in front of someone for a while, they will start believing in you and your words. Once you gain their trust, you can influence them. There is nothing greater than honesty. If you want to win someone's trust or want them to follow your instructions, you must first be honest. When a person completely trusts you, they will do exactly what you say, believing that you can never think negatively about them. You can use this to your advantage. Law number 13. Focus on the self-interest of the helper, not their mercy. In today's world, if someone is helping you, it is likely that they have some self-interest in doing so. So, if you ever need help, make sure that the helper benefits from it in some way. If the person helping you sees a benefit for themselves, they will be more likely to help you again in the future. In fact, if helping you benefits them, even your enemy will be willing to help you. Next law. Appear as a friend on the outside, but be a spy on the inside. If you want to become powerful, you must know everything about the people around you. You should be aware of both their weaknesses and their strengths. Understanding their weaknesses and strengths will allow you to defeat them. You can act as a spy and secretly gather all the necessary information. Law number 15. Completely destroy your enemy. It is crucial to eliminate your enemy completely. The only right way is to ensure they are entirely defeated, because if you leave them behind, they will eventually seek revenge and come after you, will attack. So crush your enemy so much that they can never rise again, leaving no chance for revenge. This has happened many times when one king spared another, but later, that same king betrayed and had him killed. That's why you should never leave your enemy. Eliminate them completely. This is only one of the 48 laws. If you want to watch the full book summary, click here.